Okay, so next up, we're gonna be looking at link tags in our HTML page. So let's say I want to create a link in my web page. Like for example, if I click on that link, I will be redirected to some other website. Or maybe I want to redirect to some other section of my web page. So I can do that with the help of link tags, right? So the one that we're going to be understanding right now is known as anchor tag. So let's see how we can create anchor tag. We just need to add like this A. So this A is the anchor tag, and you see over here that this anchor tag is basically taking one attribute over here, which is href, right? So href will basically be the link which I will be writing over here, and inside the tags over here I will be writing some text. So whenever I click on that text, I will be redirected to that particular link, right? So just for an example, let's say I just write over here, click here. It should be something sensible, but this is just for some example that we see here, that we will write click here. Right now you see that a click here has been like highlighted on the page, which is different, which is in like a different color and underlined. And if I hover over it, you can see that the cursor is also changing, so which will say that okay, this is a clickable link. Now wherever I want this link to redirect, I will write that in these double quotes. So let's say for example, I want to go to some website example.com. So this is the website I want to redirect to. So I'll just copy this link over here and I'll just close it for now, and I'll paste it over here. Okay, and I'll save it. Now if I go back to my web page and I click on this click here, so you see that I have been redirected to the example.com website, right? I can go back and I can also choose, I can also give some different like attributes over here, which will open it differently. Like for example, right now if I'm clicking on click here, it is opening in the same tab, right? I can choose like I can change this behavior, right? So there are some different other attributes that we can use. For example, there is a target attribute. So target will basically change the way the link is opening, right? So if I say blank, and if I now go and click on the web page, so you see that now the example.com is opening in a new tab, right? Previously when I was there was no target, it was opening in the current tab itself, right? So that was basically self. So by default it is self, and then we can change the way the website is opening when I'm clicking on the link. So there is blank, there is parent, there is self, there is top. So let us see that what the parent will do. So if I save this, and if I'll close this and I'll go back, and if I click on this, so you can see that a new window has been appeared, and so you can try out these different target attributes over here. Apart from target, we also have some other attributes, like for example, if let's say I want to add a behavior that whenever I hover over my link, I want information that what that link is storing, right? So for that, what I can do is I can use title attribute. So if I just write title over here, now whatever I write inside the title, let me just show you with an example. Let's say I just write over here my title. Okay, so now if I go to my web page, and if I hover over my like web over here, or the link over here, so this is basically showing my title. Like whenever I'm hovering over the link, it is basically telling me some information about the link. So like in this way, you can like add some information about the links, that whenever you hover, you will show some information regarding to that. Now there are other ways also that we can use this anchor tag if I want to navigate over my web page, but that is something that we're gonna see later on. Now after this, let us go and see how we can add images and all in our web page.